Good evening, children. I am your Sangeeta ma'am. Today I am going to take exercise 11.2, question number 6. So, our question is, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and your angle B is 90 degree. This is the first step you are going to do. Then BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. This is the second concept you are going to do. Third one is the circle through which BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Actually, this question is little bit confusing and tougher question. First, we draw the rough diagram. How to draw? What is the first concept? ABC is a triangle in which AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter. So, you have to draw BC. Okay, one triangle. Then use the triangle, the ABC. Use the triangle, you are going to draw one circle. From that circle, you are going to draw another circle using the A to this circle. Then you find out the radius. Okay, so you have to draw this one circle like this circle. Then you have to draw another circle. So then this joining points will be drawn. Okay, so this step by step I will teach you how to construct and how to draw a diagram. Okay, first step, take your scale, just draw. What is your BC value? 8 centimeter. First draw BC 8 centimeter. BC 8 centimeter. Okay, this is the first point. Then use your protractor. What is your angle B? That means BC equal to 8 centimeter. What is your angle B? Is 90 degree. Okay, use your protractor. Just keep the protractor in B point, that is your center point. Just mark the point from your 0 start 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is your point. Then draw one line using the point. Okay, using the point. So this is 90 degree. So then what is your AB value? AB is 6 centimeter. See, I am going line by line. Listen carefully. So take 6 centimeter for to cut the arc AB line. Okay, so keep your needle in point B, cut one slight arc, so you will get the point A. Then join the point A and C. Okay. Join the point A and C. Then, now the question, first line question is over. See, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 90 degree. So this first line concept is over. What is the second line? Second line, BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. So you have to draw, this is B point, this is AC point. This B point is, you have to draw the perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? This is one line. You cut one perpendicular arc means you will get intersection point. So this is, like this you have to draw one perpendicular line for this B on AC. So how to do it? Take the compass, keep the point needle in B, take the off above, there is just cut in the line AC. Okay, just cut in the line AC. Just point it out there. This AC cutout point, the same length. You have to keep the needle in this point. Just cut one arc here. Then keep the needle is point. Just cut one arc here. So you will get one intersection point. Then join together the line with B. So you will get one intersection point, that is the D. Now D is perpendicular to AC. The second concept also is over. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC is over. What is the next concept? Next concept is the circle through BCD is drawn. How to do this? That means you have to draw a circle BCD. To draw a circle like this. How to do? You have to do, take the perpendicular bisector 3/4, just cut out one arc here and one arc here. Just keep the point needle here. Just cut out one arc here and one arc here. So now join these two intersection points. Okay, now join these two intersection points. So this point is O. Okay, this point is O. So now you measure. Actually circle means you want to draw a circle. You want to draw a circle means this is diameter. So this is your diameter. Now this diameter will split into radius. This means diameter equal to, how to find out the radius? Diameter by 2 is radius. So here the diameter is 8 centimeter. What is your radius? 4 centimeter. Exactly it's split up on 4 centimeter. Then keep the needle in the middle point. Draw the circle. The circle will cut through these 3 points. It will start by here. Okay, it will cut exactly the 3 points, that is B, D, C. Now the circle through BCD is drawn. What is the next concept? Construct the tangents from A to this circle. So we are going to draw one more circle to construct the tangents. So I am just shading for the highlighting this circle. Why? Because you will be confused. Okay, you will be confused which circle you will be join with the tangents. Okay, which circle you will be join with the tangents. So this circle is not your tangent circle. You have to draw one more circle for the tangent. So I am highlighting this. Okay, I am highlighting this. Then I move on to form a tangent circle. What is the thing? The circle, construct the tangents from A to this circle. So first you have to join together from this is the point origin. You have to join the origin point with A. You have to join the origin point with A. So then using this radius, this point, you just take the compass, keep the needle here, take 3/4. Okay, cut one arc here, cut another arc here, keep the needle point here, cut one arc here. This arc is not enough, so cut another arc. So you will get two intersection points. I am using the green pen to show you the differentiation. So I am joining this intersection point using my green pen. Okay, using my green pen. So this is my intersection point M. This is my intersection point M. Now this radius you take, you cut these, draw a circle. Radius, you draw the circle. So here the circle will be cut that circle. This is the T1 tangent point. Already it's joined. B point only. This is the T2 point. This is tangent T1. This is tangent T2. Now you draw the two tangents. Already from T2A the tangent line is there. I will draw using the green pen. Then I will join the A and the another tangent using the green pen. These two tangents are called as, it's approximately cut this circle. Actually this sum is little bit difficult and complicacy. No problem. Step by step you will do, means you will get the clear diagrammatic concept. Clear diagrammatic thing. Thank you, children.